I cannot imagine doing what we're doing effectively without having an e-sourcing platform like GEP.
We were looking for a best-in-class system to help us continue our best-in-class. We are a best-in-class procurement organization, and we are looking for a best-in-class system to support us fully in all our processes and with all our procedures. Best-in-class is coming from different areas. Of course, people, I think, are the most important. We have best-in-class trainings for our people. We train the people to be best-in-class in procurement, in sourcing, in negotiations, in everything. Of course, our procedure, we consider it also best-in-class, and also the system should also be best-in-class. This is why we chose GEP, because we were looking for a best-in-class system to help us continue our best-in-class.
All of our activities are done through GEP. We implemented our first e-sourcing platform in 2012. So we've been digital since 2012. And that system was a fine system for us. Very good people, worked very well for us. But now we needed to move up to another level, and that's why we went to GEP. We wanted something that was a little bit more world-class, something that would help and grow with us as we continued on our path of continuous improvement. We wanted to have a partner that could grow with us and take us to the next level.
The contract was signed beginning of 2020, and the implementation project was planned, and we started in March.
We went live and implemented GEP through the pandemic. And with GEP, we were able to deliver the project on time, in scope, in budget, during a pandemic where there was no face-to-face contact, there was no travel. It was all done by video conferences, emails, phone calls, and that is quite a remarkable achievement.
We had a complex evaluation matrix with several criteria. Cost was one of them, because we are procurement and we look at our cost, of course, but also technical aspects of the system. We had also tests. A lot of our buyers tried the system and performed several tests, and they had some scores, and we evaluated the scores from the testing phase. So it was a very complex RFP process.
And by having everything in there, our supplier relationship management, all of our tendering activities, everything in that platform helps us aggregate data a lot better, interface a lot better, face auditor and regulatory challenges a lot better, and in general give our executives confidence and trust.
We want to be as efficient as possible, to do everything easily, and the system is helping from this perspective. And for sure we have a lot of time to focus on other strategic stuff like category management, preparing strategies, negotiating with suppliers, and contracting, and all the other parts.
By us going to the same tools, the same processes, the same reports, as mentioned, that allows us to pull things together where it can't be manipulated. And I don't mean that in a bad way necessarily. Everybody wants to have a different definition of whatever the metric is. We know what the source is, the definition's the same, it's going to tie together. And we provide the reports. The reports are not given to us. We take data, we don't ask for data. So same system, same tool, same reports, same metrics, you're going to get a consistent result. Complications that come up with a global pandemic, and still being able to do that is a testament both to our team's efforts and work, as well as GEP's commitments and efforts to make sure that the project was successful. I cannot imagine doing what we're doing effectively without having an e-sourcing platform like GEP. I could not imagine trying to run an organization of any size without that.